The radio flyer? The Hape or Chillafish? Perhaps the Retrospec or the LOL Fun? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 balance bikes for 1-year-olds available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best balance bikes for 1-year-olds. The 5th product on this list is the Chillafish Quadie. Balance bikes are an incredibly effective way to teach a child to balance while they are sitting and in motion, which is the hardest part of learning to ride a bike. This 4-wheeler Grow With Me Ride-On Quad provides a stable platform for your little one. This balance bike is available in several fun colors and only weighs around 5.6 pounds. It's very lightweight, so it's easy for little ones to propel forward and maneuver. While the littlest ones may struggle a bit with steering, older toddlers will appreciate that smooth steering, which is also a valuable skill to learn before transitioning to a pedal bike. We especially appreciate its height adjustable seat, which is rare for a ride-along toy. There are 3 settings, with a minimum of 8.25 inches and a maximum of 9.9 inches. What's more, this model is equipped with a hidden storage compartment, allowing your child to carry a small toy or some snacks along for the ride. It also features a convenient hand grip on the seat, allowing you to easily push, pull, or carry it everywhere your toddler wants to go. This bike is recommended for children ages 1 through 3, with a maximum weight of 55 pounds. Its pros are, it's made with a lightweight, high-quality ABS plastic frame. Its non-marking wheels operate silently, making it functional for both indoor and outdoor adventures. And it includes a sticker sheet so your child can personalize their quadie. However, taller kids can hit their legs on wider seat rear wheels. The Chillafish Quadie is a great balance bike for toddlers who are just starting to discover the great outdoors. Up next in 4th place is the LOL Fun Baby Balance Bike. This balance bike is suitable for 12 to 24-month baby girls and boys learning to walk because it helps to develop their balance, steering, and coordination at a young age. This device allows your child to enjoy riding while also developing muscle strength. Despite being a very affordable option, this baby balance bike is made up of aluminum alloy and offers a soft PU seat to increase the comfort level. Even in terms of design, this baby balance bike is made in such a way that it will appear appealing to your young ones, making them happy every time you bring it out. Most parents also like this balance bike because it has a modular design that requires only 2 steps to set up without using any tools. It's also very lightweight, so your child can move it without your assistance. And you can easily store it in the trunk of a car for use wherever the baby would rather ride than walk. This baby balance bike also has built-in ball bearings for a smooth ride for 1-year-old baby girls and boys while playing inside or outside the house, as well as a solid unspoked wheel to avoid your baby's feet getting stuck. It also has somewhat of a shock-absorbing design and smooth tread that allows your baby to scoot around the house quietly while causing no damage to your floors. Its pros are, it features help with the natural balancing skills of babies, it is made of high-quality materials for long-term durability, and its smooth ball bearings and shock-absorbing wheels keep it quiet on all surfaces. However, it has no adjustment options, so it won't be suitable for those over 2 years of age. The LOL Fun Baby Balance Bike is a great transitional toy when the baby is learning to walk. It's the best first-year birthday gift for girls and boys. Still haven't found a balance bike for 1-year-olds that meet your needs yet? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Retrospec Cricket. It takes some time to find the best ride for your toddler. You'll need to decide between air tires or foam tires, aluminum frame or steel, handbrakes are fully free, and the list goes on. Luckily, the Retrospec Cricket balance bike is here to the rescue. The design is simple and suitable for children aged 1 to 2 years. According to the manufacturer, this model promotes bilateral coordination without the risks of rickety training wheels or high seats. This bike not only introduces kids to biking, but it also does so in a safe manner. The wheels are rounded, so they don't endanger small children's legs. They don't scratch your kitchen floors, and they keep the bike from moving too quickly. You'll also appreciate that this model is almost ready to use right out of the box, as it comes 95% assembled. The maximum rider weight that this model can carry is 44 pounds, so no matter how robust your toddler is, they will surely enjoy this ride-along toy. What's more, this bike has soft handlebars, a comfortable seat, and a steering limit to keep your child safe, comfortable, and in control at all times. Its pros are, its design ensures your child's feet are always touching the ground, so they stay in control of their movement. Its non-slip, no scratch wheels prevent scratched floors and provide a secure grip both indoors and outdoors. And it features 135-degree limit steering that prevent the toddler from turning too far and falling to the side. However, it's a single size that will be quickly outgrown. The Retrospec Cricket is a balance bike that's best for toddlers aged 12 to 24 months. If you want to ensure your kid has the confidence to run and ride on their own, this is an excellent choice. The second product on this list is the Radio Flyer Scoot. With this unit, getting around independently has never been easier or more fun for your little one. It has a responsive but direct steering wheel so your child can learn how to steer and improve their gross motor skills. It's also made in a way that makes it comfortable to ride, with a clear kick path. The wheels are easy for your child to move, so it's safe to use indoors or out. Like the other balance bikes on our list, this one has a storage space under the seat, so your child can bring their favorite toys with them on every ride. It also has a bit of front bumper over the axle that looks good and protects furniture and walls. Your child will enjoy riding this bike around, especially since the Easy Glide wheels offer a smooth ride with excellent stability. In addition to all of these great features, most parents choose this model because it can grow with their child. The seat can be adjusted, and it can hold your child safely up to 42 pounds. So you should get a good 2 or 3 years of use out of it. Its pros are, the front wheels are wider than the rear wheels, allowing toddlers to kick freely without any obstructions. It offers excellent stability as well as direct steering, and it has a robust build that can withstand bumps and knocks against walls and furniture. However, it's only available in red. The Radio Flyer Scoot is a well-made unit that will help your 1 to 3-year-old gain more confidence and better balance to prepare them for riding a pedal bike without training wheels later in life. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top balance bike for 1-year-olds is the Hape Scoot Around Ride. With a wooden frame and rubber wheels, this Hape baby bike is an excellent choice. It has gotten rave reviews from parents, with many praising its appearance. It's an ideal bike for most babies to gain confidence and balance. For starters, its manufacturer ensured this model has just the right height for optimal space to scoot with the legs. Your little one may even be able to build up some speed, so you will want to make sure they wear a helmet. It also has a turning limiter to make steering smoother and prevent nasty tipovers during tight turns. Initially, this balance bike has limited steering to 135 degrees. Some parents prefer to remove it once their children have gained confidence. The bike's 4 wheels provide excellent stability. The rear wheels are wide set, providing outstanding balance. This model is, without a doubt, the best first push bike toddler scooter. Kids aged 12 months and older can enjoy this foot-powered wooden rider while reaping the benefits of increased muscle strength and improved balance. The rubber wheels ensure that the scoot around does not damage floors and is highly durable while your children are speeding around on any surface. It will also allow your child to test their mobility while developing active motor skills. The freedom of zipping around will instill confidence in your children too. So if you want to help your little one improve their day-to-day skills, prepare them for handling future tasks, and give them a greater sense of independence in a safe way, this balance bike is a brilliant option. Its pros are, it was the winner of the Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Gold Seal Award and the Parents' Choice Recommended Award, so you know it's a quality product. It's made with wood sourced from environmentally sustainable forests. It has a durable, child-safe, bright paint finish, and its wheels are rubberized to protect your floors and ensure that the wheels last longer. However, it's not pre-assembled, so setting it up may take some time to complete. The Hape Scoot Around Ride is unquestionably the best balance bike for toddlers. It's perfect for kids beginning to test their mobility and develop active motor skills. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.